Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. An A-frame house interior refers to the unique living space contained within a building characterized by steeply angled sides that usually begin at or near the foundation line and meet at the top in the shape of the letter A. The interior is defined by its dramatic, soaring ceilings and slanted walls which serve as both the roof and the primary structural enclosure. Traditionally used for vacation cottages or mountain retreats, the A-frame interior aesthetic is built around the concept of upward living, often utilizing lofts to take advantage of the vertical height. The design typically emphasizes a connection to the outdoors through large floor-to-ceiling windows at the front and back gables, creating a bright, airy environment despite the potentially narrow footprint. One of the primary advantages of an A-frame interior is the incredible sense of volume and light. The high, vaulted ceilings create an expansive atmosphere that makes even a small square footage feel grand and open. Architecturally, the design is incredibly efficient for temperature regulation in extreme climates. The steep roof prevents heavy snow accumulation and allows for excellent natural ventilation as heat rises toward the peak. Furthermore, A-frames are often more cost-effective to build and maintain because the roof and walls are the same component, reducing the variety of materials needed. From a lifestyle perspective, the inherent loft spaces provide a natural separation between social living areas and private sleeping quarters, all while maintaining a cozy, communal feel that is perfect for relaxation and hosting. Decorating an A-frame requires a strategic approach to accommodate the sloping walls and unique proportions. For the exterior, focus on high-quality natural materials like cedar shingles or matte black metal roofing to create a striking silhouette against the landscape. Adding a large wraparound deck extends the living space and anchors the house to its environment. Inside, the key is to embrace the geometry rather than fight it. Use light, neutral colors on the slanted ceilings to keep the space feeling open, and use focal lighting, like oversized pendants, to draw the eye toward the peak. To make the exterior and interior feel cohesive, use consistent wood tones and large glass doors that blur the line between the indoor lounge and the outdoor scenery. Integrating built-in storage along the lower knee walls, where the roof meets the floor, is a smart way to utilize otherwise dead space while keeping the center of the room clutter-free. Choosing the right furniture is crucial for a triangular space. Low-profile furniture, such as platform beds and mid-century modern sofas, works best because it doesn't compete with the sloping walls for height. Multifunctional pieces are essential. Think ottomans with hidden storage or nested tables that can be tucked away. Because wall space is limited for traditional art, look for statement rugs and textured textiles like sheepskin throws or heavy knit blankets to add warmth and visual interest. Floating shelves are excellent for the vertical gables, allowing you to display decor without needing a flat wall. Finally, prioritize indoor greenery. Tall, leafy plants like fiddle leaf figs or hanging planters can fill the vertical voids of the ceiling, bringing a touch of nature inside to complement the rustic architectural style. Now, let's look at the top 15 best A-frame house interior ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. One, the bright Scandinavian loft. This stunning interior showcases a masterclass in minimalist A-frame design. The use of crisp white paint on the structural beams and walls maximizes the reflection of natural light, making the entire home feel incredibly spacious. The light wood flooring and matching kitchen island provide a warm, organic contrast, while the woven peacock chair adds a touch of bohemian flair to the seating area. 2. The plywood modernist retreat. Embracing a raw industrial aesthetic, this design uses large plywood panels for the interior walls, creating a seamless and textured look. The floor-to-ceiling glass gable provides an uninterrupted view of the forest, effectively turning the landscape into living wallpaper. Low-slung furniture and floor cushions ensure that nothing obstructs the magnificent view. 3. Airy kitchen with a view. This idea demonstrates how to handle a kitchen in a slanted space. By placing the cabinetry along the vertical gable wall and using a large sliding glass door, the kitchen feels connected to the outdoor deck. The white cabinetry and butcher block countertops maintain a clean, farmhouse-inspired look that feels fresh and functional. 4. The verdant living room. Integrating nature is a core tenet of A-frame living, and this room does it perfectly with hanging plants and a unique driftwood coffee table. The skylights cut into the slanted roof provide essential overhead light, while the plush white sectional sofa offers a comfortable spot to enjoy the greenery both inside and outside the large windows. 5. Minimalist workspace and galley. Focusing on clean lines, this kitchen area utilizes the lower section of the A-frame for deep drawer storage. The white shiplap walls and dark wooden beams provide a classic contrast. The simple wooden bar stools and white quartz countertops create a sleek, uncluttered workspace that is perfect for a modern cabin. 6. The classic log. For those who prefer a traditional look, this log-built A-frame features exposed timber and a massive stone fireplace. The dark wood tones create an incredibly cozy hygge atmosphere. The large windows are divided into a grid, which adds a sense of structural strength and frames the mountain views like a series of paintings. 7. Cozy loft with modern comforts. This perspective shows the efficiency of the A-frame floor plan, with a compact kitchen nestled under the sleeping loft. The use of a light-colored leather armchair and a fluffy sheepskin ottoman adds layers of texture. The ladder access to the loft is kept slim to maintain the open flow of the ground floor. 8. Tiny house with craftsmanship. This idea highlights the beauty of all-wood interiors in smaller A-frame models. The clever use of integrated stairs that double as storage shelves is a great tip for tiny home living. The warm glow of the wood creates an inviting, golden atmosphere that feels like a permanent hug. 9. The window nook reading spot. A-frame skylights are more than just light sources. They are architectural features. This close-up shows how a simple sofa placed under a slanted window creates the perfect reading nook. Decorating the ledge with small brass figures and potted succulents adds personality without taking up valuable floor space. 10. Sun-drenched botanical lounge. This final idea focuses on the power of sunlight. The whitewashed interior acts as a blank canvas for the shadows of the surrounding trees. By using lightweight rattan chairs and plenty of climbing vines, the room feels like an indoor garden, emphasizing the peaceful and restorative nature of A-frame living. 11. Modern split-level living. This interior demonstrates a sophisticated way to manage a multi-level A-frame. By using a bold black accent wall for the fireplace and television, the space gains a modern, grounded feel. The inclusion of a rustic log pillar adds a touch of natural texture, bridging the gap between sleek contemporary finishes and cabin charm. The staircase leads to a sunken bedroom, showing how you can maximize privacy in an open-concept structure. 12. The moody skylight sanctuary. Lighting is everything in a slanted space, and this design uses oversized skylights to create a dramatic, moody atmosphere. The dark stained wood ceilings and stone-clad fireplace offer a cozy, lodge-like feel that is perfect for snowy climates. The upward-facing windows allow you to watch the stars or the falling snow directly from the comfort of the deep-seated sectional sofa. 13. Minimalist geometry and natural views. This layout emphasizes the iconic triangular symmetry of the A-frame. By keeping the furniture low and centered on a large geometric rug, the room feels balanced and calm. The use of light-toned plywood for the walls keeps the interior bright and highlights the stunning wooded view through the floor-to-ceiling glass gable. It's a perfect example of how less is more in a unique architectural space. 14. Urban industrial chic. Who says A-frames are only for the woods? This interior blends industrial elements like the black metal wood-burning stove and brick accent wall with soft, modern furniture. The contrast between the white shiplap walls and the dark exposed ceiling beams adds a sense of height and sophistication. A marble-top coffee table and leather armchair provide the perfect finishing touches for a refined, comfortable lounge. 15. The sun-drenched dreamscape. This final idea is a masterclass in using white decor to create an ethereal, airy environment. Every element, from the sofa and rug to the structural beams, is kept in a pale palette to maximize the abundance of natural light. The addition of warm wood accents and delicate string lights creates a magical, inviting space that feels like a permanent vacation. Large sliding glass doors ensure that the interior remains a seamless extension of the outdoors. As we've seen through these 15 unique examples, the A-frame interior is a remarkably versatile canvas. From the raw beauty of exposed wood and industrial accents to the serene elegance of all-white Scandinavian designs, these homes offer a way of living that is both efficient and deeply inspiring. The key to a successful A-frame design is to celebrate the angles, welcome the light, and always leave room for a touch of nature. If you enjoyed this tour of A-frame interiors and want more home design inspiration, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs. We bring you the latest trends in architecture and interior decor every week. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on A-frame living.